मेघालय के बहुचर्चित राजा रघुवंशी हत्याकांड में एक बड़ा अपडेट सामने आया है।
Like when we had come from there, like when we came for recreation also, there are certain other places which they had stopped and then tried to attempt that. So and basically they did not get the chance there. So they came here and then it's a ram.
The did Raja knew that these three people were also from Indore and anything?
Yeah, they knew when they met first time.
सर क्या राजा और सोनम क्या घर से अलग अलग निकले थे या एक साथ आए थे? ये पता चला कि राजा रघुवंशी जो है वो अपने घर से आई थी, सोनम अपने मायके से वो आई थी।
Hey, Raja, they came. What we know is that they came the same flight.
मेघालय पुलिस ने इस सनसनीखेज मामले की तह तक जाने के लिए क्राइम सीन रिक्रिएशन की प्रक्रिया शुरू की है। 23 मई 2025 को मेघालय के वेईसाडोंग फॉल्स के पास एक ऐसी साजिश रची गई जिसने पूरे देश को हिलाकर रख दिया। इंदौर के 29 वर्षीय कारोबारी राजा रघुवंशी पत्नी सोनम के साथ हनीमून पर मेघालय गए थे, जहां सोनम ने साजिश के जरिए राजा की बेरहमी से हत्या कर दी, जिसके बाद 2 जून को उनकी लाश एक खाई में मिली और इस हत्याकांड की परतें धीरे धीरे खुलनी शुरू हुईं। पुलिस जांच में चौंकाने वाला खुलासा हुआ कि इस हत्या की मास्टरमाइंड राजा की पत्नी सोनम रघुवंशी थीं। सोनम ने अपने कथित प्रेमी राज कुशवाहा और 3 सुपारी किलर विशाल सिंह चौहान, आकाश राजपूत और आनंद कुर्मी के साथ मिलकर इस वारदात को अंजाम दिया। हालांकि 9 जून को सोनम ने गाजीपुर में आत्मसमर्पण किया और बाकी 4 आरोपियों को भी पुलिस ने दबोच लिया। 17 जून 2025 को मेघालय पुलिस ने इस हत्याकांड की कड़ियों को जोड़ने के लिए क्राइम सीन रिक्रिएशन शुरू किया है। सभी 5 आरोपियों को सोहरा के वेईसाडोंग फॉल्स के पास ले जाया गया, जहां राजा की हत्या हुई थी। पुलिस सीन रिक्रिएशन के जरिए हत्या के तरीके, हथियारों के इस्तेमाल और साजिश के हर पहलू को समझने में लगी है।
The SIT today visited the number of places. We have done construction in 5 places, starting from Molakyat up to Weissaudong parking lot. And this construction has been based on the interrogations we've been conducting over the last few days. I have already told you that in the interrogations they have admitted to the offence, and we just had to actually replay or recast how they had done it. And we started off from the Maulakyat parking lot where they had kept the scooties. Then we had moved on to a place about 3 to 4 kilometers from Weissaudong parking lot, whereby they had stopped to take photographs, and there was an attempt in that place, but it was not feasible because Raja started off his bike, and so they had to move on. And they had stopped about 200 meters away from the Weissaudong parking lot. There only photographs were taken, but attempt was not made in that point. We finally came to the Weissaudong parking lot where the scooties were kept. We ascertained where the scooties were kept, had ascertained where Raja was standing. We had taken to replay the whole thing, we had taken one of our personnel from the Fire and Emergency Services as Raja to replay the role of Raja. We have ascertained what was the position just before the murder, who was standing where, and how the blow took place. So 3 blows took place. The first blow was by Vishal, alias Vicky. The second blow was by Anand, and the last blow was by Akash. In our interrogation, we have ascertained that there is one more dao or machete which needs to be recovered. It is still down there. They have replayed of how they have thrown the 2 daos. The first dao which was thrown has been recovered. You have seen that, I think, in certain visuals. It has an orange handle. The second machete, which is not recovered and from which they have shown as to where is the point of it being thrown, it's got a steel handle. The SDRF on the job, they've gone down and they've taken handheld metal detectors to try to recover the weapon. We have also ascertained how Akash, the white shirt which we had recovered with the body on the 2nd of June, that was thrown by Akash. That was his shirt. He has shown us from where he has thrown that. We have also ascertained as to what happened to the mobile of Raja, which was first damaged by Sonam and later by Vishal. So this whole thing has been played out, and how they made their exit from this place. So this whole scheme, this whole reconstruction of the murder, the offence has been played out today. We have got a very clear picture. We've recorded in videography. We've got independent witnesses to cover it, and I think the reconstruction was very, very successful.
मेघालय पुलिस ने इस जांच को ऑपरेशन हनीमून का नाम दिया है। 120 पुलिस अधिकारियों की टीम सीसीटीवी फुटेज और क्राइम सीन रिक्रिएशन के जरिए केस को सुलझाने में लगी हुई है। पुलिस सोनम और राज कुशवाहा का आमना सामना भी करवा सकती है, जो एक दूसरे पर साजिश का ठीकरा फोड़ रहे हैं।